Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I am so sick of these containers without lids. So, you know what? We're going to just throw everything away and start fresh. So, let me tell you what I did. I was looking for a container the other day. I found the container, couldn't find the matching top. So, you know how frustrating that is. So I was determined we are not going to carry this into 2024. We are getting rid of all this stuff, guys. Let's just do it. Let's just get rid of it. Go into your kitchen cupboard and pull out all that Rubbermaid, all that Glad containers. You know, the ones without the lids, or the lids without the containers. I don't know how this happens. I don't know if somebody coming into my house and walking away with containers and just leaving me with lids, but I must have thrown away so many lids and unmatched containers. Not any Tupperware. You know, we didn't have any small Tupperware dishes, but we did have a lot of Rubbermaid, Glad, and it was just so unmatched. So I took a trip over to Ocean State Job Lot and got some new containers, really nice ones. And I just decided, you know, we really don't need all of these containers anyway. You know, leftovers are great, but you know, I don't want to fill my fridge with all of these random containers. So this was a good time. It's the beginning of the year. Let's just clean up this mess. Let's just not take this stuff into 2024. Let's just let it go. And you know what? I couldn't even donate these things. They weren't, you know, what are you going to do? Donate containers without lids or lids without containers? I couldn't even donate them. So after cleaning up everything, I separated what I could. Anything I didn't have a lid or a matching container or whatever, I just put it in the recycling bin. I just put it in the recycling bin. And that's what I want you to do. Just go in there, take everything, doesn't have a lid. You know, oh wait, I do stand Tupperware, maybe not my Tupperware, maybe not the Tupperware, but that other stuff, let's just let it go. Let it go. So as I said, I got these storage containers from Ocean State Job Lot, BPA free, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and all of that. So I'm starting fresh. And you can too. It's a new year. Let's start fresh. These are all the tops that I kept, all the lids that I was able to keep. I even got rid of the red containers that I had. I got a nice fresh container that I had gotten from Dollar Tree earlier. These are all the containers that I'm keeping, or they are all the lids that I'm keeping. Each lid matches a container, as it should be. Guys, Happy New Year. I hope you get to straighten out some stuff and out with the old, in with the new. It's a new year, new you. Thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.